Doedden ni mam i'r clinig fod ar campws, oedden ni eisiau fo'n ganol y gymuned leol ar stryd fawr Bangor, a hynna sy'n ei sefyll allan di cymharu efo prifysgolion eraill. Mae clinig cyngor cyfreithiol Prifysgol Bangor yn galluogi ein myfyrwyr rhoi cyngor cyfreithiol am ddim i aelodau'r gymuned leol. Bydd cleiant yn cael ei gyfweld gan 2 fyfyrwyr wedi oruchwylio gan aelod o staff bob amser. Nid oes unrhyw cyngor yn cael ei roed ar y diwrnod, ond mae myfyrwyr yn mynd i ffwrdd, yn gwneud ymchwil ac yna yn ysgrifennu llythyr manwl i yrru nôl i'r cleiant o fewn pythefnos. Mae'r profiad ymarferol mae'r myfyrwyr yn gael yn y clinig yn helpu nhw datblygu sgiliau na fysant yn ei cael yn y dosbarth yn arferol. Dyna pam bod cyflogwyr wrth eu bodda efo clinig.
I chose to take part in clinic because I wanted to gain practical experience. I wanted to apply the knowledge I've gained throughout my studies. I think it's a great environment to learn. It's really helpful for us students, but also for our community.
I didn't think I'd be able to sit in front of people from the local area and ask them about their problems and interview them. I thought that's really improved through clinic, and I think things like note-taking, letter writing, which you don't really get from your law degree. You do a lot of assignments and exams, but nothing really practical. I think it's really helped that side of things.
As an international student, I was obviously kind of scared before starting, but we do get a lot of support from Tracy, our supervising solicitor, and from the university as well. The clinic experience is going to make us more employable, and it's really going to help in the future in any jobs that involve communication and legal research skills and legal writing skills as well.
Mae yna fwlch yn y farchnad ar gyfer cyngor cyfreithiol rhad ac am ddim yng Ngogledd Cymru. Yn ogystal, mae sefydliadau fel cyngor ar bopeth Citizen Advice yn hynod o brysur, felly mae wir angen clinig cyfreithiol fel hyn ar gyfer y gymuned leol.
My advice would be to seize the opportunity. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The clinic is a great way to gain legal experience while helping the community.